you're gonna help the baby blow the candle. Alright? Count the 3 kids, you need to count with me. And then you're gonna blow the candle, mommy and daddy. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Blow the candle. Okay, isa namang malakas sa palakpakan.